My name is Martin Komarek. I came from Czech Republic. I'm chainsaw carving since 18, 16 years old, which is over 20 years. But the last 10 years I more concentrate on timber sports. I would like to carve something about my reason to come, so for you guys should be surprising.
I'm happy because now the bench looks like a bench, so you can sit on, which is big progress. But another 2 days show us if I do how I want to do. I hope in future the people can spend on this bench such a nice time like I spent here. Looks like close, but need a lot of work, so will be this day and tomorrow for me just about, so will be hard work. I had a good time, and Australia is for me always good time. So I hope if somebody have it, this bench, he will spend very good time like I get every time when I am here.